Hello, this is our data meeting number 1 presentation created by Ariel Barnes and Monica Jimenez, and we are group 5. So the data meeting discussion points that we had included discussing the challenges that we faced when completing the assignment. We both started off a little confused as to exactly what we were required to do for this assignment, but we were both able to ask some questions and we gained a clearer understanding of what we needed to do. We also discussed the differences between our graphs in addition to our noticings and wonderings. So this is Monica's analysis. She created 2 graphs based off of all of the data that was presented to us. And here's Ariel's analysis. I created my graph based off of the data from goal and objective number 1 only. So here are our noticings. I noticed that most students had similar scores across all 5 assignments for Goal 1. I also noticed Assignment 5 had the highest scores. I noticed that students 16 and 19 scored the highest. And I also noticed that students 23 and 24 struggled with their assignments. These 2 students also had zeros in their scores, and then we noticed that perhaps these students weren't in class when these assignments were given, but when we looked at the attendance, they pretty much were in class all of the time, so that shows that they truly were struggling with these assignments. So Monica noticed that most of the students had a high attendance, which can mean that they were actively engaged in the class. And then she noticed that not all of the students submitted their homework. However, they were all very close on achieving the goal for the standard that she created. Here are the wonderings that we had. I wondered why students did better on assignment 5. There were quite a few 10s on this assignment. I also wondered if this assignments were in classwork, if they were homework assignments, or if they were tests and quizzes. And I wondered if any students received assistance during the assignments, either from the teacher or a special educator perhaps. And then Monica wondered if the students faced challenges when doing their homework, causing a low number of students submitting their homework assignments. And then since the main standard required them to use media to show how much they had learned, she wondered if they had any challenges using technology. As far as our reflections and improvements, our data meetings are actually going very well. We work very well together and we complement each other's ideas. And once we were clear on the expectations for the assignment, we were able to complete it together effectively.